on, okay? But you hang on your paddle. Paddle! Stop! Guys are holding the ring now. Hold your paddle. Paddle! Stop! Paddle! Mommy hollered paddle.
No, he said paddle. He said paddle. He said paddle.
He did?
And then he said stop.
He said stop, and I couldn't hear him right there.
Maybe you should say, now is the time to start paddling, and then now is not the time to be paddling. Please stop, or something like that.
Here you out here, you're like, paddle.
Say yes. No.
What do you think, Mommy?
She's about to die.
This is awesome. I'm okay.
He's good. I'm okay.
You still good?
I'm good. I'm not sick at all.
What about you?
Oh my! Sorry, baby. There's a fly, and I was like, waiting to like get it off.
You want to play with it?
Just got me. There's a gun show in Asheville today. Paddle! Stop! Paddle! Stop!
Yeah, normally when we go rafting, there's other people.
You the man.
Yeah. See what?
Are we smiling? Are we recording or are we taking a picture? Okay.
Turn it off, love. Paddle. Stop.
Woo, that's good. Did you get wet, Nana?
Paddle. Stop.
Woo! Oh, my soul.
Paddle. Stop. Paddle. Stop. That side, please. Paddle. Stop. Hold on. I hit you with fun.
Oh, man, don't let me go in.
I got wet.
You get wet.
I got wet on that one.
Hope everybody brought an experience.
Maybe two.
That was awesome.
Man.
Oh, dude, you're wet. How wet did it get?
He got pretty wet. He's like,
Yeah,
he's pretty wet. Yeah, he's pretty wet.
Daddy.
Well, it was either you or them.
Better you than me.
You're already super wet. Yeah, that was...
Well, it's even like getting you wet better because you get the better reaction out of it. That seems just like...